Is a sagging mattress preventing you from getting a good night's sleep? Here's an affordable option to delay buying a new mattress when you follow the 3 steps before you order. Made of durable, military-grade foam with ideal cushioning properties needed for mattress longevity. Placed directly between the mattress and foundation to precisely target support where you need it. Works great on inner spring or latex mattresses up to 14 inches thick. Step 1. Before you order, determine your mattress type. Cannot work on memory foam because the effect of the support is absorbed rather than transferred. Step 2. Measure the depth of your sag. Place a yardstick across the sagging area. Measure the distance between the lowest point and the yardstick. Step 3. Determine the thickness you need to create a level sleeping surface. A standard is 1 inch thick. Standard deep is 1.5 inch thick. When inserted, the sagging area is lifted with targeted support. A simple do-it-yourself solution where you measure and control how much support is needed to delay buying a new mattress.